I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. In my previous video, I have discussed about fitting measurement of progressive lens, and today I am going to discuss about fitting measurement of bifocal lens. Like progressive lens fitting measurement, bifocal lens fitting measurement is also very important. Otherwise, patient will come again in your optical with lots of complaint. Let us start to know about fitting measurement of bifocal lens. Number 1. Place a piece of clear tape from the top of the frame to the bottom in the approximate center of the lens. See the diagram. This is lens and this is clear tape. We will paste this clear tape in dummy lens because we will be marking a dot on the tape. Next, this prevents marking on existing lenses. If the frame does not have lenses in it, be sure the tape is taut. Existing lens means dummy lens. If the frame does not have any dummy lens or existing lens, that time this clear tape is more useful. Next, position the person we are measuring directly across from us at the same height. See the diagram. Patient height and practitioner height should be equal. Next, ask him to sit so he is comfortable. Make sure the frame is adjusted properly and in the right place. It means frame should be weighed properly. The upper length, see the diagram, the upper length should be equal and the center of the pupil and the center of the lens should be equal. Next, have the person look straight ahead and draw a horizontal line on the lens at the highest point of the person's lower lid. See the diagram. This is lower eyelid and we will draw a horizontal line here. Next, mark the lens. Here this is mark. This mark the lens with a non-permanent marker. Next, record the number for the right eye and repeat with the left eye. Next, this line will be sag line measurement. This line is we called segment line. Next, measure from the segment line to the bottom of the frame. This measurement called segment height of a bifocal. Here this is segment line and from here to here bottom of the frame. This is segment height. Next, most bifocals are measured between 9 mm and 20 mm from the bottom of the frame. So this height should be 9 mm to 20 mm. Next, record the measurement of the right eye bifocal and repeat the process with left eye lenses. Next, place a dot on the tap in front of the pupil of each eye. Here, center of the lens, and here center of the lens. Place a dot here. Remove the frame and measure dot to dot from here to here. This is the person's binocular PD. PD means pupillary distance. Next, the average adult PD measurement is between 58 mm to 70 mm. Next, bifocal has distance and near PD, and which is usually 2 to 3 mm less than from distance PD for near PD. It means if patient have binocular PD from here to here is 60 mm, then near PD is 60 minus 2 means 58 mm. Hope you all have understood the fitting measurement of bifocal lens. Thank you.